Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this electric meat grinder. This is really different than a lot of the ones I've seen, so I'm going to show you just how to use all of this. This is the actual motor of it all. It's got 5 different settings to be able to use on here. Really easy to use and just plugs into a standard 110 outlet. You've got your cover, and you have 3 different blades. You've got this one that is for all the chopping. It's 6 blades that just spins around, chops it up. You've got this, which is for garlic, so you can actually just cut up some garlic. And then you also have an egg whisk that you can use to then whisk up your eggs. Now to get it, you have a stainless steel bowl here that all you have to do is just add the bottom part to it, so that way your blades will have something to sit on. You put on your different washers. We're gonna stick that through the bottom, and then from the top, we'll just put on the little cap, and that way whenever we use our blades, they will then sit directly in the center. Now to use this thing, very simple. They do have little non-slip grips that you can stick on the bottom of both of the containers. Put this on here, stick your food in. It just sits right down in there. All you've got to do is just sit on the lid, which has a nice silicone seal on there. This snaps in. Once you get it in place, all you've got to do is press the button. It goes real easy. You can decide which setting you're wanting to do it on. I mean, that's pretty quiet. It will chop up stuff super fast. Change it all out. All you've got to do, empty it all out, put it on your new one, and you are ready to go for another sort of grinding. Easy to clean up, nice little set. They do give you a little pair of gloves whenever you are handling this. It's a nice set to use for any kitchen.